As Short gathers, delivers. Pitch is grounded to Short. Fielded there by Murphy. The throw is low and it kicks away from the first baseman Barber. That'll allow a run to come in and score. Should be ruled an E6 on the low throw. Barber went down, couldn't quite dig it out. And she's got it about as worked as it can be. Here's the payoff pitch. Swung on, lifted in the air to shallow center. Charging in is the center fielder. It falls between them. It'll be a single. Great at bat that time by Nishitomi. Childers kicks and delivers the 0-2. Swung on, chopped to Short. No chance for either of them as they go to first base. It's not in time to get Baltel. She beats it out for an infield single. 407 hitter with 8 home runs and 35 RBIs. The 2-0. Checks her swing. Runners going. The throw is high. And both runners will be safe as they slide in. Childers twists and delivers. Swung on, laced into the gap in left field. That'll get at least one home. Being waved around is Baltel. She slides in. It is a 2-run single. And Carly Adams able to come through with the 2-out poke. And just like that, Longwood takes the lead. It's 2-1. Here's the 2-0. Swung on, tapped right in front of the plate. Childers fields it herself. The throw not in time. Another single for Nishitomi. She's 2 for 2. Childers with the payoff pitch. That's high, ball 4 to walk in a run. So after retiring the first 2 of the inning, 3 straight walks after the Nishitomi single. After Childers had the control problems, Gutierrez comes in. Childers had only walked 10 all season long, but leaves after walking 4 batters in 1 2/3 innings. This one's laced to left field, well struck deep, and that ball is gone. We got a grand slam on the board for Chelsea Siaka. That'll clear them all and blow this one open as 4 more will come across and make it 7-1 in favor of the Lancers. Short delivers. Pitch swung on, liner to second. Caught by the first baseman Barber, and then she's able to look the runner back. Positioned perfectly that time. That one was a bullet. We're held scoreless in the third, but trying to come back from that as this one is crushed in the air to right center field. Back go the outfielders, but forget about it. A moonshot over the center field wall. A home run for Brooke Short, and she delivers a crushing blow here. Plating 3, a 3-run home run. Nishitomi comes across, Baltzell as well. And Short, who had 2 walks thus far in this one, delivers the 3-run job. Terrific for the Lancers today. This one's grounded back up the middle for yet another single for Nishitomi. 4 for 4. Gardner-Webb, who will try to string together some magic here and make up a 7-run deficit in just 3 outs. As the first pitch is swung on and rolled to the first base side, able to beat it out for an infield single is Arrowwood. Runner at second with 2 down here, a 10-4 lead for the Lancers. Cornell rocks and delivers. Pitch swung on, popped in the air to Short. Under it is Murphy, she has it, and the ball game is over. Game 1 of the doubleheader goes to the Lancers. They take it by a final score of 10-4.